Dunkin' Donuts is one of the licensed company in the world. Dunkin' Donuts began during World War II. Today, there are more than 12,000 branches in 46 countries, including 3,200 foreign restaurants. The company offers hot and cold coffee, baked goods, and ice cream for drive-through consumption. Dunkin' is the world's leading baked goods and coffee chain, serving more than 3 million customers each and every day. Ministop is a franchising business. Ministop is originally developed in Japan, one of the most well-known and well-loved convenience stores in Metro Manila, Luzon, and Visayas. The stores have a wide range of items and open 24 hours a day to assist clients. Ministop stores have a kitchen that makes sandwiches, snacks, and bento boxes on the spot, as well as a dining space where customers may sit and eat immediately.
Turnkey project is a type of project that is constructed so that I can be sold to any buyer as a completed product. For example, Thales Group. Thales Group is a French multinational company that designs and builds electrical systems and provides services for the aerospace, defense, transportation, and security markets. The company is headquartered in Paris Business District La Défense, and its stock is listed on the Euronext Paris. International agents and international distributors agents. Agents usually represent more than one organization, while distributors are similar to agents with the main difference that distributors take ownership of the goods. For example, Ford and Toyota. Nagsimulang magtulungan ang Ford at Toyota noong 2011 upang bumuo ng isang hybrid trucks. Toyota brings the hybrid technology knowledge, while Ford brings its leadership in the American truck market.
Intel, our alliance is rooted in technology advancement and business acceleration, including a focus on optimization of the open source TensorFlow library to benefit from the performance of Intel architecture. This joint work will provide software developers an optimized machine learning library to drive the next wave of AI innovation across a range of models including convolutional and recurrent neural networks. Walmart. Walmart Incorporation announced a strategic entertainment joint venture with Echo, a developer of interactive video technology, includes plans to develop original, interactive content that will enable Walmart to connect with customers in new and more meaningful ways, with the goal of driving deeper and more frequent engagement.
Microsoft Corporation is an overseas manufacturer or international sales subsidiary. Microsoft has had a presence in China for more than 20 years, entering the market in 1992. Today, our most complete subsidiary and largest R&D center outside the United States is in China. Number 8. Internationalization stages. Nokia. During the whole 1990s, Nokia developed the most innovative product or mobile phones, and in 1990 they had become world leader in mobile phones. Nokia had to change their global strategy, shift more and more of its production to Asian countries, and concentrate on emerging countries in terms of sales.
The Internet is a new channel for some organizations and the rule channel for a large number of innovative new organizations. For example, Netflix. It is a broadcast channel entertainment strategy. It is a company that adapts quickly to changing markets and shifting consumer behaviors to thrive. It is a social media platform through its ability to hold social watch parties, encourage on and off-screen conversations about media content. Netflix was one of the first companies to use internet technology. The United States is an exporting powerhouse, like civilian aircraft and aircraft engines. This is what makes Boeing the nation's largest single exporter. Boeing Company is an American multinational corporation that designs, manufactures, and sells airplanes, roofcraft, and etc. The company also provides lease and product support services.